Hello everyone! Mayong adlaw mga higala. For this video, I will be sharing my brownie thins recipe. For the ingredients, we need 1/2 cup all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup cocoa powder, 1 tablespoon cornstarch, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1/2 cup egg whites, 1 cup granulated white sugar, 2 tablespoons of our melted butter, and 1/2 cup Barrel's chocolate chips. So first, get a smaller bowl and mix in your dry ingredients. Your cocoa powder, all-purpose flour, cornstarch, baking soda, and your salt. Mix, then set aside. In a bigger bowl, mix in your egg whites. Whip it first and then slowly add your granulated white sugar. Once your egg white is frothy, slowly add your granulated white sugar. It's medium stiff already. Stop and then mix in your dry ingredients slowly. Slowly put your vanilla extract and your melted butter. Lastly, fold nyo yung chocolate chips. You can also put nuts if you want. half muna ng chocolate chips. Then get a small cookie sheet. Line it with baking paper. Tapos, let's spread here our mixture. Now get an offset spatula, then slowly spread your mixture. Then, let's bake this one at 350 degrees Fahrenheit around 20 minutes. There you go! It's baked already. So, let's cut. Brownie Thins. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel. Enjoy baking!